Today we see the practical 7, that is the study of flexible manufacturing system. The aim of this practical is study of flexible manufacturing system, and it can be comes in CO3. The objective, that is the introduction to flexible manufacturing system, the types of FMS and FMS component. The background of these FMS is the introduction to the flexible manufacturing system, type of FMS, by number of machine, level of flexibility, FMS component, workstation, material handling, FMS application, advantages and disadvantages. The introduction to the flexible manufacturing system. The flexible manufacturing system are the most automated and technological sophistication of the machine cell type used to implement a cellular manufacturing. The FMS usually has multiple automated station and is capable of variable routing amongst the station, while it is flexible allowed to the operation are mixed model system. The FMS concept integrated many of the advanced technologies that we need to preview unit, included the flexible automation, CNC machine, distributed computer control and automated material handling and storage. A flexible manufacturing system is highly automated group technology machine cell, consisting a group of processing workstations that are interconnected by a automated material handling and storage system and the control by distributed computer system. An investigation of FMS computer workstation, material handling and storage, computer control and human resources. Succeed these, we examine the FMS application and benefits. The FMS planning and implementation issue looks at FMS design, recommendation and operational issue that can be occur with the FMS. The types of the FMS, the number of the machine. The FMS can be designated how they perform as either processing operation or assembly operation. The FMS are custom built so that we may expect to find a wide range of type has been implemented to suit the different projects. Each FMS is customized and unique, however we can still define the typically for FMS depending on the number of machine it contains, whether it is dedicated or under order FMS in terms of the part it processes. A single machine cell contains one machine connected to the part storage system, which can be loaded and unloaded part to the form of the storage system. It is designed to operate in batch mode system, the flexible mode or a combination of the two. When the batch mode, the system process part of a single style in specific lot size before physical and program changeover to the next batch specification. In flexible mode, the system satisfied the 3 or 4 tests for flexibility. The acceptance begins error recovery, since if the CNC machine center break down, the system stops. So this is the diagram in which we can see that a single machine cell. This is a single machine cell in which the parts is come out, and that part can be transferred with respect to the say pallet holder, and pallet can be convey that material with respect to this conveyor. Flexible manufacturing cell. It contains the 2 or 3 processing workstation, often a CNC machining or turning center, plus part handling system. These set up the operator in physical mode and batch mode as necessary, and rapidly adapted to evaluate the production scheduling and increasing the production volume. Since there is a more than one machine, error recovery is possible by routing the failed machine intended part for processing to the other 2 machines in the system, and new part design can be introduced with relative ease into the setup. The flexible manufacturing cell satisfied all 4 flexibility tests. So this is the diagram which is related to the flexible machine, and flexible machine can be explained with respect to the 2 or 3 processing station. The workstation of the 2 or 3 material can be processed, and CNC can be operated. It can be load wise, and the actions can be taken with respect to this palletized machine. Flexible manufacturing system. It consists of 4 or more processing stations connecting mechanically by the common part handling system and electrically by the distributed computer system. The FMS is a larger, the flexible manufacturing cell, not only in the number of workstation it may contain, but also the number of supporting stations in the system, such as a part pallet washing station, coordinate measuring machine, storage station and so on. The computer control is also more sophisticated. It includes the function not found in flexible manufacturing cell, such as diagnosed and tooling monitoring. The FMS satisfied 4 flexibility tests. So this is a diagram which is related to the flexible manufacturing system. These are the flexible manufacturing system in which the material can be stored with respect to this part. This can be palletized with the automatically inspection station. It can be provided with the workstation and storage in this system. So all this process is carried out with the help of the automation. The FMS component, the material handling storage system. The function of the material handling and storage system may be noted. Allow the random independent movement of the work part between the station as to allow for the various routing alternate for the different part in the system. Enables the handling of varieties of the work part configuration by the means of pallet fixtures for prismatic parts. The industrial robots for the rotating parts provides the temporary storage, small queues of the parts awaiting processing, and may be allowed to build up in the form of each station in the system that provide a convenient access for loading and unloading the work part at the load and unload stations. Control system. To operate the FMS, use a distributed control system that is interfaced with all the workstation in the system, as well as with the material handling system and other hardware components. It consists of a central computer as a series of microcomputers that control the individual machine in the FMS. The central computer coordinates the activities of the component to achieve the smooth operational control of the system. The following control functions can be noted, that is workstation control. The fully automatic FMS use some form of the workstation control to each station in the form of the CNC control distribution of control instruction to the workstation. A central computer is required to handle the processing occurring at the dispersed workstation. Second is production control. The management of the mix and the rate at which the various parts are launched into the system is important. Alongside data into the number of essential metrics such as daily desired production rate, number of raw work part available, work in process, etc. The traffic control. The management of the primary handling system is essential so that the part arises at the right location at the right time and in right condition. The shuttle control. The management of the secondary handling system is also important to ensure to correct delivery of the work part to the station workhead. Workpiece monitoring. The computer must monitor the status of each cart or pallet in the primary and secondary handling system to ensure that we know the location of every element in the system. Tool control. This is concerned with managing the tool location, keeping the track of different tool use at a different workstation, which can be determinant on whether the part can be processed. It increases the tool life and keeping the track as determining with it should be replaced. Human resources. The human personnel manage the overall operation of the system. The human are also required in the FMS to perform the varieties of supporting operation in the system. These includes the loading row workstation, unloading finished parts as an assembly from the station, changing and setting the tool, performing the equipment maintenance and repair, performance NC part programming and operating the computer system and managing the system. The FMS application advantages and disadvantages. The main advantages of the FMS is the high flexibility in managing the manufacturing resources like time and efforts in order to manufacturing a new product. The large variety of the same production is done, profitable investment, required a limited inventory, low labor cost, flexible system and speedy production. So in this way we studied the FMS. Thank you.